In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive but not from your PC or laptop. It's a common scenario where you want to free up some space on your OneDrive without losing those crucial files on your computer. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can manage your files effectively without accidental deletions. First, let's get started by opening File Explorer on your computer. You're probably familiar with this, the handy tool where you manage and view all your computer files. Once you have it open, your next move is to navigate to the OneDrive section. You'll usually find this in the sidebar on the left. It might be labeled as OneDrive Personal or something similar if you're using a personal account, or it could say OneDrive like your organization if you're on a business account. Clicking on it will display all the files currently synced with your OneDrive account. Now that you're in OneDrive, take a look through your files and folders. You'll want to select the files or the entire folder that you wish to keep on your PC but not in the cloud. Clicking once on the file or holding the Control key while clicking allows you to select multiple files. Once you have your desired files selected, it's time to move them from OneDrive to a local folder on your computer. Simply drag and drop them to a location outside of the OneDrive section, such as Documents or any other folder directly on your hard drive. This action will copy the files from OneDrive to your PC's hard drive, ensuring you have a local copy. After successfully moving the files, it's vital to clear up the OneDrive cache on your computer. To do this, right-click on the file or folder in the OneDrive section and select Free Up Space. This option removes the file from your computer while keeping it in the cloud, but because you've already moved them to your local drive, the files will remain on your PC and not sync back to OneDrive. Now, to fully delete these files from your OneDrive storage, head over to OneDrive Online by visiting the OneDrive website and logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to My Files from the main menu. This section shows you everything currently stored in your cloud account. Go through and select the files you've just moved to your local drive. Finally, simply hit delete, confirming that you want to remove these files from OneDrive. And there you have it, a straightforward way to clear space on OneDrive without losing any files on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.